Let's be real for a second. These days, 91% of employers check social media before they even think about hiring you. And more than half are turned down because of what they found on social media. At the same time, AI is shaking up the workplace in a big way. The World Economic Forum says that by 2027, almost a quarter of all jobs will be disrupted. The role you have right now, it is not the same job it was a few years ago, and it will not be the same in the next few years. Now, here is the frustrating part. You have done everything right, updated your resume, earned the certifications, put in the long hours to prepare applications, but your career still feels stuck. The truth is, your resume is not enough anymore. We live in a noisy digital world. Your skills cannot just quietly exist. They need a spotlight. Recruiters are using AI to scan your entire online presence, like LinkedIn posts, even the comments you have made, before you even know a job is available. And if you are not shaping that online image, you are invisible. It is not about your qualifications, it is about visibility that changes today. The solution? A personal brand that is real, strong, and impossible to ignore. And no, I'm not talking about making you a social influencer. Your personal brand is simply your professional reputation, your fingerprint, the story people tell about you when you are not in the room. In this video, I will show you 5 steps to build your brand for 2025 and beyond. Let's jump in. Tip number 1. Define your identity and brand goals. You cannot build something strong on a shaky foundation. Before you tell the world who you are, you have to know it yourself. This is not about creating a fake version of you. It is about uncovering the real one. Ask yourself, what are my core values? What kind of work lights me up? What is my superpower, the skill that feels easy for me but looks like magic to others? And why do I do what I do? A quick way to get clarity: do a SWOT analysis. Strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, threats. Be brutally honest. Where do you shine? Where can you grow? What trends can you take advantage of? What is holding you back? And here is a powerful tip. Ask people you trust, your friend, your colleague, or your spouse. Get feedback from them. I once asked a few colleagues, when you think of me professionally, what comes to your mind? Their answers blew me away. They saw strengths which I had not even noticed. Your sweet spot is where your skills, your passions, and the market's needs meet. That's your value. Once you are clear on it, everything else gets easier. Tip number 2. Craft and share your unique story. Now comes the connection part. And nothing connects like a story. Facts provide information, but stories touch the heart. Think of your story as your movie trailer. It gives people just enough to want to know more. Look back on your career. When did you face a challenge? How did you handle it? What did you learn? Even the moments that did not go perfectly can make the best stories because they show you are human. For years, my LinkedIn bio was just my job title. It is boring, isn't it? So I rewrote it. I'm the person they call when a project is in chaos. Once I took over a project 6 weeks behind the schedule. I rebuilt communication from scratch, and we delivered on time with an extra feature the client loved. Which would you remember? The title or the story? And if you are worried about bragging, flip it. You are not boasting, you are helping. Your story might give someone else the exact roadmap they need. Tip number 3: create and share valuable content. You have got clarity, you have got a story. Now you need to prove. Creating content shows your value is a way nothing else can. It doesn't have to be fancy, it just has to be useful. Answer questions, share lessons, break down complex ideas, leave a breadcrumb trail that leads straight back to your expertise. If you think you have got nothing to say, trust me, you have many things to say, and every individual has stories to tell, and your stories are an inspiration to others. I thought the same, so I started by documenting my work, just posting about what I was learning or solving each week. One of these posts got more engaged than anything else I had done. The goal is not to go viral, it is to be remembered, and consistency is what makes that happen. Tip number 4: optimize your digital presence. Your online profile is your shop window. LinkedIn, that is your front door. When someone Googles you, what they see in their first impression, and with AI scanning that first impression matters more than ever. Here is what to do. Use a professional headshot. Make your headline more than a title. Make it a promise. To turn your about section into your mini story, your mission, your strengths, the problems you love solving. And make sure the message is consistent across platforms. If people see a different you everywhere, they will not know which one is real. Tip number 5: keep learning and evolve your brand. Your brand is not a one time project, it is alive. The professional you are today, you will not be the same in 5 years. With AI and technology reshaping the industries, staying relevant means staying curious. Keep learning, try new tools so that you adapt. And do not be afraid of being locked in to one thing. Your brand is not a cage, it is a ship. You can change direction whenever you need to. I have shifted my own brand over time. It was not sudden, it was gradual, and people came along for the ride. So, to sum up, define who you are. Tell the story that makes you memorable. Prove your value by sharing what you know. Polish your online presence. Keep evolving so you stay ahead. Hoping to be noticed is not a plan, it is a gamble. Taking control of your story, that is how you win. A personal brand is not just a career tool, it is an investment in your future self. If this was helpful, hit like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments which step are you starting with.